Well, here I am with a little bit of disaster. Yesterday, this is a carport that I built, by the way. Built it about 4 years ago. It took me all summer. But yesterday, this guy decides to go ahead and crash into my corner. So he's taken out this whole corner. Ran through the driveway, ran in between, I don't know if you can tell, that phone post and that guy working the gas meter. So now I got to replace all this. I'm thinking about trying to find a way. I got to dig the damn post out of the ground down there. Well, he really did a number. Trying to find a way to maybe lower this a little bit, put a little more slope on it. But we'll have to worry about getting this thing braced up and all sheared up first. No post. Yeah, I mean, this is a nice little parking area back here. Well, I don't know if I ever showed you this either. Me and my daughter, she wanted to build a bird bath. So I took a tire rim and formed this bird bath. It's kind of dirty right now, out of concrete and on a tire rim. Turned out pretty good. Put a little tile and stuff in it. There's my deck with my benches that I was going to rebuild part of that this weekend, but now that I've got this little disaster, so we'll see how it goes. Well, here I am back at the crash site and it's all redone. I didn't show you all how I did it because, man, this alley follows the sun path, and it's been 95 the last 2 days, so it's been a hot son of a gun. But I ended up having to replace all that board, replace that post, and when I took the gutter off to do it, one of the alley rats came along and stole my freaking gutter. So I had to go and buy a new piece of gutter to put up there. I think if the cops ever pick this guy up, I'm gonna charge him about $200 for this. Because, man, did I sweat. It's hot as hell. But it's all better. Now we got a whole carport again. So, next thing I'm working on is up here on this deck. There's my dog. My dog. Ain't got no dry place to lay because it just rained. I already pulled it up. This part of this deck right here was rotten. I'm gonna try and put a curve in it from there to there, and I'm gonna curve it, put like a dome thing on it. So that's the next thing. See you then.